Hello and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 day series. Today's video was going to be in conjunction with the Arctic Geek Challenge on Instagram, but as of now it's a failure. 10 o'clock at night and I'm going to have to reboot and start all over. I started by painting. I disassembled a file cabinet. File cabinet's there, got a couple drawers there, got a couple drawers behind me there. And I was going to paint it Mario themed, and everything was going well. The first coat of paint went on everything well, nice and smooth. Everything was ready. I taped off this piece here to make it look like bricks. And when I painted the second coat on it, let me go in here, it got this real wrinkled appearance to it. This is not the first time this has ever happened to me. Generally this happens with spray paints if you reapply after the hour, but before 48 hours. And I reapplied after about 2 hours here. After an hour, it just didn't seem dry enough to want to put tape on it. This is probably one of those projects where I should have taken 2 or 3 weeks to do. I should have painted a color and waited 2 or 3 days to go to the next color on that piece. It's probably what I'm going to have to do at this point. I'm going to have to sand down that drawer, repaint it black, wait 48 hours, paint it brown, wait 48 hours, paint the gold stripe at the top, and really do the same with the rest of it. So it's no longer going to be a 30 for 30 video. It's no longer going to be a Arctic Geek Challenge video. It's probably just something I end up doing in end of August, September. It's going to get pushed to the side. But now it's 10 o'clock at night, and I need to make a video. I was thinking of making a vlog, but that seemed like the easy way out, and I decided, I was going through Instagram trying to go for ideas, and I have an idea. So I want to do a little bit of block printing, and I want to, I think block printing is what it's called. I gotta go get something. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a walk. Okay, I'm back. Took a little walk. Heavier than I thought it was going to be, but I got this water thing from my neighbor's front yard. I'm going to see if I can make some prints from it. I don't know if I'm going to make prints on paper or if I'm going to try to print on a t-shirt. I'm going to see how it works out. I should have it back in his yard by morning so he'll never know it's missing. Please stick around and let's see how this works out. The word's obviously going to be backwards, but it's kind of neat nonetheless. The water thing worked well enough. I'm going to see if I can get these steel plates out of an automatic transmission to leave a cool looking imprint. Or print, or whatever the right word would be. Do I set them on the paper, or do I set the paper on them? Quite a bit lighter on that second one. Should have re-inked it. I'm going to take this old stained t-shirt that's now too small for my son that was in the paint rag drawer and see if I can print this image onto it. Going around the corner didn't work. I should have flattened the t-shirt out to the side. I realized that after I laid it on there. Let's try that again. That's why we experiment, isn't it? I don't know how flat that is under there, but I can't move it now. We're about to find out. I got a wrinkle in it right there. Definitely a way that you could print onto shirts, a plain canvas bag. Kind of fun. It'd be really fun to walk around town and find cool manhole covers and be able to do this right there on the street. I got this idea from an Instagrammer in, I believe, Germany, judging by the language. It looks German, and she does it in the streets. She does it right on manhole covers. I know she's done it in Berlin, judging by the word Berlin on a manhole cover. I think that's why I think she's from Germany too. But this is a lot of fun. This would be a lot of fun to do. This would be a fun souvenir if you saw a cool manhole cover in a city or a town you're not from, to be able to go there and do this. I don't know if I'd want to get caught doing this. I might not want to do it in the middle of a town square, but there's a lot of manhole covers around that people don't see, don't look at. And I don't think you're wrecking the manhole cover any. I don't think the paint you put on is going to hurt it any. And I don't know if you needed to wire brush it off like I did. You could go with just a little handheld wire brush, give it a quick little scrub, and probably do just as well. Some of the texture in here is some of the cool part of it anyway. It's kind of fun. Definitely something I want to play around with. Thank you for watching, and to make sure you don't miss any of my 30 videos and 30-day series, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace.